Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new Aerogarden Bounty Basic. The box is high quality and protects the unit well from damage. The first thing I found in the box is a manual on how to assemble and run a hydroponic system. There is also a brochure on how to use the trellis system. Next is the box with the power adapter. Then comes the seed pod kit. What's inside this kit I'll show a little bit further on in this video. The post, which holds the light hood, is telescopic and is made of aluminum. The maximum grow height is 23.2 inches. There are USB ports on each end of the post to connect to the light hood and the base. The Aerogarden Bounty Basic has a rather large light hood almost as big as a grow deck. The power of the LEDs is 30 watts. There are 3 colors of light: white, red, blue. The hood itself looks pretty good. The place where the post will be attached is also reliable. The company promises a lifespan of at least 2 years of LEDs. The next thing in the box with the device is the trellis system. This is actually a very useful addition because it allows you to grow tall plants. The trellis system helps to prevent the plants from falling apart when they get too tall and heavy. At the very bottom of the box there is a base on which there is a bowl with a grow deck. The base is part of the device where the light hood post is attached and where the bowl is placed. Here there are 2 sockets for connecting the cords of the power adapter and the pump. There is also a control panel built into the base. The Aerogarden Bounty growing deck measures 16.5 by 7.48 inches. It has 9 holes for the seed pods. It also has a large hole for filling water. A pump is attached to the grow deck on the underside. The deck is made of 2 parts. Inside, there are channels through which the water supplied by the pump gets to each seed pod. This design perfectly distributes the water and oxygenates it. The deck is easy to remove from the bowl and move it where you want it. There are also holes for the trellis system attachment. The pump is built into the grow deck, which is a convenient solution. It's big enough to last a long time. The pump has a fine filter and mesh to intercept larger particles. There is also a speed switch on the body, but by default, it is set to the optimal speed. For the first 2 weeks, the pump is turned on for 1 hour every 11 hours. After that, the system starts the best pump cycle for the plants you have chosen. In addition, the pump is equipped with rubber cushions to reduce noise and vibration. This makes the Aerogarden Bounty pump almost silent. One of the biggest parts that is in the box is the bowl. It has rounded corners and is elongated, which is very convenient for growing. The bowl holds 4.5 liters of water up to the fill to here mark. If you pour water to the edge of the bowl, it holds about 5 liters. There is also a water sensor. You will be notified on the control panel when the water level is low that you need to add more water. The bowl is placed on the base and the top is covered by a grow deck. This is very handy if you need to change the water. All you have to do is remove the deck. Then you can move the bowl anywhere you want without moving the base. Along with the device comes a seed pod kit. It has a 100 milliliter bottle of plant food, 9 seed pods with pre-seeded sponges, and grow domes. I got a kit of 9 herbs: Genovese basil 2, curly parsley, Italian parsley, dill, Thai basil, mint, thyme, chives. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. Be sure to visit my website for more information about this device. The link is in the description. All the best. Bye.